Alright guys, we're checking out the all-new 2022 Sunseeker 3270 motorhome here. Stepping up in here, you can see that booth dinette makes into a bed there. Power theater seat feature here on the right. Down here in the cab area, you have a large screen for your rear observation and side cameras. Up top here, you have a big TV on a swing arm. Nice overhead bunk area right here. Storage at the foot of the bed, detachable ladder there, stereo, overhead cabinets, big turbo exhaust fan. Check out this big skylight above your dinette, really cool. Super slide almost the whole length of the camper. Convection microwave oven down below. Double bunks, top bunk flips up, some storage down below the bottom. Walk-through bathroom here with the glassed-in shower, foot flush toilet, another fan in there as well. Some cabinets here at the foot of the bed, TV at the foot of the bed, queen-size bed, plenty of storage. Check out Couches RV Nation, guys.